Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to approach organic chemistry for Neet. First, build a strong foundation by understanding fundamental concepts like hybridization, bonding, and molecular structure. Mastering EUPAC nomenclature is crucial for correctly naming compounds. Also, dedicate time to learning about isomerism and its different forms. Finally, begin to grasp basic reaction mechanisms, focusing on electron movement. This initial step is vital for future success. Next, dive deep into the essential reactions and their mechanisms. Focus on understanding how and why reactions occur, rather than just memorizing them. Pay special attention to named reactions, electrophilic and nucleophilic substitution, addition, and elimination reactions. Grasping the electron flow in these processes is key. Also, dedicate significant effort to mastering oxidation and reduction reactions, as they are frequently tested. Now, let's talk about reagents and problem solving. It's crucial to memorize common reagents and understand their specific roles in different reactions. Consistent practice with mechanism-based problems will solidify your understanding. Work through a significant number of previous year's questions to identify common patterns and question types. Creating detailed flowcharts for reaction pathways and conversions can also be incredibly helpful for quick recall. Finally, an effective revision strategy is paramount. Regularly revisit all concepts, named reactions, and mechanisms to ensure long-term retention. Create concise, self-made notes that you can quickly review before your exams. Attempting numerous mock tests will significantly improve your speed, accuracy, and time management skills. Always prioritize conceptual clarity over simply memorizing facts, as this approach leads to deeper understanding and better performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.